Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We just had an AMA with the MagiCraft team talking about how to avoid scams in the crypto space. Check it out on Twitter. You can watch the recording. It's freezing here. I'm in beautiful Romania next to the Black Church. Apparently it's called the Black Church because of a fire that was here. Beautiful old church. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm short Bitcoin. It was slightly in the profits, like $50 in the profits. Now it's, I think, break even. It's coming to a moment of importance here. It's either going to break out to the downside and go massively into the profits or hit our stop loss. We have a very tight stop loss in this trade. It's either going to play out and work and hit that target, or it's only risking less than $100, I think, on the trade. I'm going to show you that in the TA. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, and if you're discouraged right now in the markets, in crypto and stock markets, I know it looks bad. I know Google's dropped 70%. The cryptocurrency have dropped 90%, Bitcoin's dropped 70%, but you have to understand that's the time you can actually make money. Now is the time you can make money after they've dropped 70, 80%. At the top of the bull market when 69,000, you can't make money there. That's the time that all, like me, if you followed my videos in November, that's when we're getting out of the market. That's when the professional investors are getting out of the market. So you have to understand, if you're discouraged now, you've got the wrong mindset. Now is the time you can make money. Now, why do you need to make money? Why is it important that you make money? Because you need to be rich, everyone. You need to have money. It's very important that you have money. If you're saying, oh, it's not important that I have money, I don't care, I just want to work at McDonald's, or I just want to work as a call center help desk, and I want to just get by life, go home, play games, you have to understand that it's the most important thing for your life to make lots of money. You need financial freedom. You need it to have a wife. You need it to have a girlfriend. You need it to travel the world. You need it to pay for your kids to have a good education. You need it to buy nice cars. You need it to experience life. If you don't have money, you're just going to live paycheck to paycheck. And I'm not putting you down if you live paycheck to paycheck. I'm talking to you to wake yourself up. Wake you up. Don't live paycheck to paycheck. It's torture. You can only start living when you're financially free, when you're financially abundant, like really living. Besides that, you're almost a machine in the system. You're working all week, 9 to 5, you're coming home at 7 o'clock, you're watching TV, and then you're going back to work the next day, and you're living paycheck to paycheck. It's a terrible existence, and you need to understand it's painful. It's a painful, terrible existence, because if you don't understand that, if you think, oh, it's okay, I'll live paycheck to paycheck, I'll barely survive, I'll buy a shit car, I'll never go traveling, I'll go traveling once every few years, you have to understand you have one life, and it's up to you. You're the first person that's being spoken to by me that has a chance to get out of this shit rat race matrix system of just turning you into a coffee machine, or turning you into whatever it is, whatever part of the cog of the machine that you're, even if it's a doctor, even if it's a lawyer, you need to get out of the system. You need to get out of that cog in the machine. It is not good to be a part of a machine. You're a human being and you deserve to have freedom. You deserve to have money. You deserve to travel the world. You have one life. You need to enjoy it to the maximum. I got out of the system when I was 7. I think I started actually making a lot of money when I was 14 years old trading. You can do it. I'm doing it all from my phone. You can do it. A 14-year-old boy can do it. That means you can do it as well. Don't spend your life living paycheck to paycheck. Even if you work a lot and you earn a lot of money, don't go and spend all of that money straight away. Invest that money so you have financial freedom. It's either you're going to be working every day for your money, or your money is going to be working every day for your money, and you're going to be free. Choose which one you want. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals, and Bitcoin is coming to this point of importance that I talked about. If you zoom out, we're in this big descending triangle. You can learn TA very easily. I've had grandmas learn my TA, grandfathers learn my TA, young kids under 14 learn my TA. Everyone can learn how to do this. Building pressure, and most likely descending triangles are going to break out to the upside. So I'm still quite, in the longer term time frame, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. In the shorter term time frame, this is the time I'm buying a lot of spot positions of Bitcoin. In the shorter term time frame, Bitcoin is trying to hold on here, and if it breaks down, it's most likely going to come to 15,800 and do a triple bottom. So you can see that I'm currently short here, and you can see that Bitcoin is coming. If I go on the daily, it's very oversold with volume coming in. On the 4-hourly, very oversold with volume coming in. On the hourly, it's overbought. So we're seeing that right now, it's the point that it's going to make its decision, Bitcoin. It's either going to drop down, which it's not. You can see it's perfectly holding on to this line, and it's getting big hammer wicks back up. These are hammer wicks where it comes down and then the price pushes back up, which is showing that there is bullishness here. So we're at this point. Either this trade is going to hit my stop loss here at 16,672 and automatically close the trade, or it's going to drop here to that 15,800 and make a triple bottom. And I'm currently short on Bitcoin, but I have a very tight stop loss in case it decides to break out. Now, I would say that this is slightly a descending triangle, which is slightly bullish. Usually they play it like this, but I can see here that it's failing to get up to the top of the triangle. It keeps just holding on. So I'm more likely to be going short here, but again with a very tight stop loss, because this is a point where it's going to choose that decision. The trade is exactly the same. We were in profits yesterday from that trade. It was a few $100s in the profits. Now we're about back to break even, exactly where the trade opened. But I'm still open on short on Bitcoin. I'll show you that. If you want to trade like you're about to see me do, under the video here in the description, you can sign up to Bybit. That's what I'm using for trading. In the description of the video, go down, sign up to Bybit, $30,000 of bonuses, and you can buy MCRT on Bybit. And you can see here on Bybit, I've got, in this trade, my Bitcoin trade is down $9, $10, $7 down at the moment. It's around a $11,600 trade. Stop loss is at 16,700. Take profit is at 15,800. If it hits the take profit, it's going to make $548. If it hits the stop loss, it's going to lose $69. So that trade is currently active on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. It's the same trade. Opening the trade at 16,600, where we are right now. Stop loss 16,672. Take profit at 15,824. I was in the profits, but now Bitcoin is pulling back up. But I do think that we're still going to have this breakdown, but it's a very close, tight stop loss in case it moves against us. Let's go into Ethereum now. I'm seeing kind of here is a little bit of a W formation forming here. So we could get a little bit of a pump, and the 4 hourly is looking like that as well. Interesting. Shorting here is quite dangerous actually, because it does look like it could get a pump there, and then that would make a W formation. If that plays out, that would be quite a bullish movement, and then a breakout, which is dangerous. But then on that so okay, I will move that short only after, if it breaks out and then pumps. So I'll change that short to be from here in case we get this pump up. I'm going to change this short because it is looking like we could have a W formation form here. So I'm going to edit that short. It's going to open the short at 1,409, and the take profit will be at 1,054. So I'm going to 09. So okay, the trade will open at 1,409. It's a short. The take profit is at 1,054. 1,054, and stop loss at 1,444. 1,054, and the stop loss at 1,444. So I'm risking $248 to make $2,519. Confirm. And then open short. So I've changed that short. It's only going to open at 1,409. When Ethereum hits 1,409, it will go short. It's a $10,000 trade. Confirm. So that's a remodified trade. So what that means is I changed the trade that if Ethereum goes up here, then creates this W formation, then gets rejected, then it will go short. But it has a very tight stop loss in case it breaks out here. So that's a trade that I've now set on Ethereum. Again, if you want to trade down below, you can sign up to Bybit. You can do trading on there. You can get 30,000 bonus, and you can buy MCRT on there as well, which is beautiful. This is one of the maps from MCRT coming to life. The team, we've got discounts on courses where you can learn all that trading. Crypto Mastercourse, Stock Guru Mastercourse going into New Year's. You can get 20% off with this code, GIFT2023. Guru's the best. You're a wild man. Thank you. Good morning, Big James. You get good energy, man. Love seeing you lives. Thanks for all you. God bless, brother. Thank you, Skywalker. We had an AMA right now about how to not get scammed, how to identify and avoid crypto scams. Amazing AMA from the team. And don't forget, you can already play beta.magiccraft.io, and you can already win MCRT from playing games. You can play on iOS, Android, and PC now, which is beautiful. And you can see some people already playing the gameplay on PC, on Android, on iOS, which is epic. People already cross-platforming, playing, and versing each other for MCRT. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's my thoughts on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Looks like Ethereum could have a pump up before activating that trade. Let's see if we can get a run up into the New Year's. Thank you for watching, everyone. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think we're going to get a run up? And what are you buying down here? Comment the tickers down below. What are you buying, cryptos and stocks? At the moment, I'm buying Google, I'm buying Meta, Facebook, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cake, Uniswap. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. Do your own research, consult your brokers. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Don't give up. Make lots of money. Give your family financial freedom. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.